What's good, guys? Happy Tuesday. Tire pressure. I think that's my front left tire, if I had to guess. Sweet. Well, that's great to see. It's 24 PSI. Anyways, whatever. How you guys doing, man? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. I kind of stopped recording content over the last few days. Let my car warm up real quick before I throw it in sport. Probably shouldn't have done that, but that's all right. You gotta enjoy the car, man, you know? 24 PSI, yeah, I gotta inflate my tires, so that's kind of annoying. I don't know why one is lower than the others, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. I got a nice and easy little portable inflator, so it makes it real easy to get your tires back up to the correct PSI. So we'll do that after I get back from the gym. Gonna head to the gym, hit a little bit of back, biceps. So I thought something was wrong with my car for a little bit. Had me pretty nervous, I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah, man, happy Tuesday, almost Wednesday. Heading down to the coast this weekend with my girlfriend. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna bring the dog. Got a nice little Airbnb down there. Little Airbnb on this little coastal town community. This is a green light. I honestly can't tell. I think so. So it'll be nice, man. Hopefully the weather's all right. If it's not, then whatever. I mean, we're just down there for Friday and Saturday, you know. But got a nice little Airbnb in this little townhome community. Small little cabins. It's a pretty nice little spot. And then we got a hot tub in the backyard. Nice little fenced-in area so the dog can run around. And then, yeah, it'll be fun, man. I've never been to this area. It's called Seabrook, Washington, so yeah, I'm excited. Got some big plans. I'm not gonna spoil it right now. Some big events coming up for me in my personal life, so I'll keep you guys updated as always, let you know how that goes. But I'm excited, man. But anyways, like I said, I haven't been filming a lot, so I'm trying to get back into it. Just been busy with life, dude. I got a little bit of a cold last week. For the last like 10 days, I've kind of been dealing with that, trying to get better because I had my birthday party last weekend on Saturday. So got a bit behind posting the last couple days videos. Should have had those posted on like Friday and Saturday of last week, I think, but it's all good, man. We're not on a schedule, you know. We just get them filmed, we get them posted, and go from there. But pretty wild day on the stock market. It's been down quite a bit over the last week, which is okay. It's part of the business cycle. You go up and down, but hopefully you trend upwards over time. And that's part of life, dude, is it's never a linear straight line. It's more like a series of up and downs. So it's kind of like going on a hike. Sometimes you're going to be going down a little bit on that hike and you get a nice little break on your legs, but most of the hike is spent on an elevation, upward elevation, and at the end of it you end up higher than you were when you started. And I think that's sort of like the stock market. You know, you just kind of got to deal with these little downward movements, 10%, 20% pullbacks here and there, and stay diligent, know what you want to invest in, know what's right for you. That's crazy, that girl's just smoking a cigarette before the gym. Do you, man? I'm not shaming anybody. Just didn't know she was a smoker. But anyways, there's concerns that, you know, the AI bubble is bursting or whatever. It's like concerns that it's going to burst. People are worried that the tech sector is overbought, and people just don't believe the hype. So time will tell. The story will be written and history will be made, and you know, we'll see, I guess, what happens with that, the AI bubble as they're calling it. But for all I know, man, I can say after my experience investing, my experience sort of growing up in life, you can't tell. Nobody's got a crystal ball. You know what I'm saying? Nobody ever knows what's gonna happen. And that's why having a plan and sticking to that plan is the best you can do. So, got some nice little evening golden hour sunlight peeking through. So, I gotta figure out my tire situation, why my tire is low. I'll take a look at the whip. Is there any nails in it that I can see? Not that I can see. Yeah. It's crazy, man. Jake Schnatter, you know, big YouTube personality, car vlogger. I'm sure you know of him, you know. Can't believe, man, the news that he crashed his Lamborghini. It's crazy because I woke up and, you know, I heard that news. I was on Instagram and I was looking at this like, I was just like, I don't know, scrolling through my homepage or whatever it is. You know, it's not the For You or the Explore page, but like who you follow. But they'll throw, you know, your like suggestions to you and whatnot. And it was like a suggested account. And it was like Jake Schnatter's Lamborghini just totaled. And man, as soon as I saw it, I knew that it was his. I just had a feeling, because it was a local Idaho news outlet that posted it. And I know he lives in Idaho, you know. It's just unfortunate, dude. It's like you can never be too careful. I see people all the time on YouTube like filming their POV drives or whatever and doing crazy stuff. Just driving with DSC off, full traction control off in a, you know, 500, 600, 700 horsepower rear wheel drive car in bad conditions on the road. My only feedback I could say on that, like my only 2 cents that I can give is you don't want to be on the other end of crashing a car that you love. And who knows what Jake Schneider was doing, you know, like you just never know. There could be anything that happened. A deer crossed the road, a kid jumps out in the road chasing a ball, like you just never know, right? But like the one thing you can do is be careful when you're driving and take the necessary precautions to like protect yourself and your car that you love. And for me, I love this car with, you know, like with my whole heart. Like this is my first big purchase, like my first dream car that I made for myself, made happen for myself. And it just sucks to see, you know, him lose his Lamborghini. He'll definitely bounce back. Like he'll make content and he'll be fine getting views from that whole new chapter that he goes through. But like, the average person, man, just be careful out there. Drive safe. Don't do crazy stuff. Like I was saying, I see people do POV drives of F80s, F82s all the time, G80s with a stage 1, stage 2 tune. They got traction control off and they're whipping. They're just cutting up, drifting, you know, doing crazy stuff. For one, it's like I'm scared I'm gonna get like a reckless driving charge if I do that. As I look up, I see a police car pulling out right there. So like there's police all over my city. I don't know about other people's cities. I live in a downtown area, so like there's constantly cops out. So I can't drive like that. If I do want to drive like that, I got to take it out to like the mountain roads and whatnot. So be careful out there, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And protect your stuff. Protect you, protect your car. It's not worth the short-term little satisfaction you get of like doing a cool burnout in front of somebody or what. But yeah. So anyways, man, I'm gonna go hit this workout, and I appreciate you for riding with me. I'm gonna try and get some more videos out soon. The roads, unfortunately, have just been really gross out. It's been super wet. It's been getting dark out really early. But I've just had a really fun time building a community with you guys. And that cop just pulled around and I thought he was gonna come pull this way for some reason. He's doing nothing wrong. But you just, you know, you get nervous. So I want to get more videos out, is what I'm trying to say. And I want to start venturing into new content if I can. I got to find time for it, and I think I will have time for that moving forward, especially after the holiday season is over. So I look forward to that, man. I hope you're doing well out there. I hope you're looking forward to a good Thanksgiving for those that are celebrating. And that's in a couple weeks already, I think, which is crazy. Time's flying this month. And then we got the Christmas season and holiday season after that. So I'm excited. It's one of my favorite times of the year. It just makes it kind of difficult to record content and get quality content out there because, one, I'm busy. Two, conditions aren't really great for POV drives. So trying to think of other ways I can get creative and while juggling all the other things life has to throw at you. So I appreciate you for watching. As always, man, be good, drive safe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.